So I finally picked up the Morphe Cheek Thrills Trio palettes. So I've got the shade Beach Bonfire. This is the super cute packaging. You open it up and it's going to have a plastic covering over the balm and the satin highlighter. Let me actually read them off to you. So this one is a satin cream, luminous balm, and velvet powder. So I very rarely, never wear highlighter, but if I do, it's generally liquid, and I'm always going to put it on first. So let's do a little bit of the highlighter. I like to put it on first because I want to be able to put my blushes or bronzer over the top of it to kind of help blend it out and not just look like a streak out in natural lighting or even in, indoor lighting. No, thank you. So the satin cream in Beach Bonfire would make a nice bronzer. So I'm going to apply it everywhere. Now the Velvet Peachy Pink powder. We're going to do it on the apples of my cheeks and blend it up. I had been eyeing these for a really long time. I don't need another blush, but I love another blush. I got a gift card for my birthday to Ulta, and this is what I chose. Love the shades, love the formulas. Have you tried these? They're really nice, and they are a great price.